Hi, my name is Denny. I'm an analytics architect with the IBM Maximo development team, and I am so excited to introduce you today to the new Maximo 761 Cognos Analytics video series. This video series is intended to introduce you to the phenomenal new features available within Maximo and Cognos Analytics or Cognos 11. As you can see from the slide deck here, we're going to cover a variety of topics in our videos, everything from the new user interface, data sources, dashboards, reports, mobile options, and much, much more. And also, as we move through each one of these videos, you'll see that I'll be targeting different Maximo users, but I'll also place a very heavy emphasis on our Maximo business or power users, and you'll see why that is occurring in the next few slides. So let's get started. First, let's take a step back and see where we are in today's business world. We know that business intelligence or BI is critical to your business, critical to your use of Maximo asset management. And to support that growing criticality, we are seeing this increasing demand for agile analytics. Agile analytics is empowering a Maximo business or power users to create their own content on the fly for their unique business or project need, but also, most importantly, for their immediate need. We can no longer wait weeks or months for IT to create custom reports. This is backed up by this very, very interesting statistic here, which is just a few months away, 2019, and this is saying that the analytic outputs of our business users with self-service capabilities will surpass that of professional data scientists. So let's just think about this a minute. What again this is saying is for the first time, we're going to see power users producing more analytic output than that created by data scientists, report developers, or IT folks. So we need to do this now. We need to immediately start giving our Maximo power users the tools for them to successfully create their own content. And this is so important to us because we want to empower our Maximo power users to do this, but we also need to balance that they're doing the right thing. And that's where Cognos Analytics comes into play because it gives them the balance, the freedom, the skills, the technology to create their own content while also having the governance or the organizational capability to manage what those users are creating. And again, this is the primary purpose of IBM Cognos Analytics: govern content, but also self-service user empowerment. This builds upon a very rich history that Maximo has with Cognos. Maximo actually started an entitlement with Cognos back way in the Maximo 7116 release, which was over 10 years ago. And you can see over time, we have greatly matured and kept up with the releases between Maximo and Cognos. Last fall, we were able to offer a certification to Cognos 1107. That certification was that if you had your own Cognos license, you could integrate that with Maximo. But today we are so excited to introduce the entitlement of Maximo 761 with Cognos 1111. So again, I want to highlight the importance of this, but also highlight that you can start using IBM Cognos Analytics today. You don't have to wait for your integration to be in place. You can simply sign up for a free trial. Just Google IBM Cognos Analytics or access the URL noted here. And again, you can begin that trial period. And as we move through our video series, I'll show you some tips and tricks of how you can get your Maximo content up into the cloud and start that evaluation today. So with that, I want to close our very first video series, and then as we move into our next video series, we'll be talking about entitlement and license. So thank you very much for your time.